Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to bring back AutoCAD status bar. You can see that in my AutoCAD screen the status bar is not showing. How to bring back? Here we have to type status bar in the command prompt and we have to put the numeric value 1 and enter. Now you can see that the status bar is showing here on the screen. And you have to also check from here, type CUI, and after this customize user interface, click on drafting and annotation, and this is for drafting and annotation. You can select 3D modeling, 3D basic from here, which one you want. So here on the status bar, right now it is showing off. We have to click here on apply. Okay. So in this way we can bring AutoCAD status bar